Blessed greetings, my brothers and my sisters. Blessed greetings from Bishop Dr. Seki, back again with another powerful spiritual tip video, my brothers and my sisters. To all my valued and blessed followers, to all my valued and blessed viewers, to all my valued and blessed new viewers, I want to wish you a blessed Friday and a blessed and safe weekend. To all the new viewers who are seeing my video for the first time, I am Bishop Dr. Seki, blessed from Almighty God with spiritual gifts. Because God has gifted us with two bodies, a physical body and a spiritual one. The physical body, He blessed mankind to go to school to get knowledge. And for the spiritual body, He has blessed man and woman in the spiritual realm before we come in the material realm to help with our spiritual bodies. To all my new viewers, my number is on my page. You can get me straight or you can get me on WhatsApp. Now, brothers and sisters, I'm going to be talking about some deep secrets. And you know, when it comes to weekend, Bishop Dr. Seki go hard. Now, this is very deep secrets. And I have helped brothers and sisters go from paycheck to having their own business, right? I've helped brothers and sisters going from paycheck to paycheck, okay, to having savings in their account. They can go on vacations. They can change their car or buy a new car. They can fix up their home or buy a new home, okay? Because spirituality is a part of life. We cannot deny it. You will hear people, there are psychics. We know about psychics that in the US, in first world countries, you have some police stations that utilize the services of psychics. And those psychics can help the police to solve murders by communicating with the departed soul or spirit. And that spirit will guide the psychic on who and what happened on which day and that. I'm not talking about fiction. I'm talking about reality and facts. You can go and do the research for yourself. So spirituality and spiritual life, although we might not readily accept it and agree to it, it is there and it is happening. And the Bible tells you that mankind and technology is going to get so advanced that information is going to be at your fingertips. So everything that the Holy Bible talk about, we see it happening, okay? Yes. So we're going to talk about how we can use our shadow to get wealth. As I say, it's a deep secret I'm giving away today on this Friday, this weekend. How to use our own shadow to get wealth, okay? Now, our shadow is a direct access to our spirit, okay? And yes, and because as we know, I said it in the beginning, we're about spirit and material flesh, right? So that shadow that you see, we can speak to it and we can converse with our shadow. Because as I said, our shadow have a direct connection to our spirit, and our spiritual body can do things for us through our shadow, okay? Like having sex in the dream. When a spirit is having sex with our material body, it's actually having sex with our physical body, but it's our spiritual body that the spirit is having sex with. That is why a lot of females and males will say, when they get up in the morning, they see ejaculation, okay? Knowledge is power, brothers and sisters. Knowledge is power and power is knowledge. So when the spirit is having sex, it is as if we're physically having sex. So the spirit enjoys the sex, okay? Just like the spirit we enjoy sex in the physical realm. So we can use our shadow to get wealth. How do we do that? Brothers and sisters, your shadow must be in front of you. So your shadow must not be behind. It must be in front, okay? And there's two ways we can use our shadow to get wealth: by daily affirmations. Daily affirmations is very, very powerful. Let's go through 3 of them as example. You stand there and your shadow is in front of you and you're looking at your shadow. You say, my shadow and I walk into money daily. My shadow and I walk into money daily. Every day, Almighty God showers me with his blessings. Or every day, Almighty God showers us with his blessings. I am rich, healthy, and wealthy. I am rich, healthy, and wealthy. You stand up and you look on your shadow and you speak these affirmations. Because these affirmations resonate in the physical and in the spiritual realm. Okay? Now, one of the most powerful affirmations that I love to use, brothers and sisters, is, lucky am I, luck is me. By accident or design, good fortune is all I see. Success in all I do is mine. I'm going to repeat it. Lucky am I, luck is me. By accident or by design, good fortune is all I see. Success in all I do is mine. We're standing and we're saying that to our shadow. We're looking at our shadow and we're saying it. Let it resonate, both in the physical and in the spiritual realm. We can speak to our shadow like we speak to a friend, or speak to our co-worker, or speak to any other human being. You can talk to your shadow. Something along this line, brothers and sisters. My shadow, you and I are one. When I suffer, you suffer. When I am happy, you are happy. When I am sad, you are sad. You can see what I can't see. You can see the future. You can get wealth for us. Find me the right job. If you're looking for a job, you can say, my spirit, go on and find me wealth. Take my feet to where wealth and success is. Let me meet that right person who is going to let my business grow or help my business grow. Because in this life, we can't do it all by ourselves, brothers and sisters. Okay? We cannot be successful in this life by ourselves. So you can say to your shadow, take my feet to where wealth is. Okay? You can see the future. You can see, find me the right job. I'm looking for such and such business. I'm looking for a life partner. I'm looking for a wife if you're a man. I'm looking for a husband if you're a female. Okay? You can tell me if that person is the right person for me. If that person is selfish, if that person is ungrateful. You can see that, my shadow. Protection. My shadow, you can see before me where if I'm going in danger. You can see if my feet is taking me to an accident or whatever. If you are traveling, you ask your shadow for protection. Brothers and sisters, this is no joke thing. This is very, very powerful. And this is one of my secrets, but I release it here. Brothers and sisters, it all depends on how you live. Live spiritually well, you will be spiritually well. Live physically healthy, you will be physically healthy. Bless love, my brothers and sisters. Do this work with faith in God and in yourself, and you will see the mercy and blessing of God flowing in your life. Have a blessed weekend. Until my next video. Bless and love. Be safe, brothers and sisters.